Good evening. The first major storm of the season is rolling through San Diego tonight, bringing rain and even snow to parts of the county. And right now, a winter storm warning is in effect. We have a live look for you at our Sharp Mary Birch camera along the 163 in Kearney Mesa, where roads have been slick throughout the day. And a look at the snow from the Mount Laguna cam, still coming down. Closer to the coast, there is a high surf advisory in effect, and the rain is causing another issue at our beaches. We have team coverage as we track the storm and its impact across the county. Fox 5's Kelsey Christensen starts us off live in the South Bay with a look at conditions there. Kelsey.
Hi, Kathleen. Well, we've had a few downpours here tonight, but the big thing, as you can probably tell, is the wind, which is expected to pick up tonight.
It's really, really pretty.
An Imperial Beach sunset sure is beautiful.
I was trying to get away from the winter, expecting a sunny day here at the beach, but definitely not. This is not warm.
The season's first winter storm disappointed IB tourists, bringing in scattered Monday rains and a heavy downpour, kicking up high surf.
My husband checked the gauge before he went surfing this afternoon and ended up going up north.
And that's exactly what the Department of Environmental Health wants you to do. Stay out of the beach water in the county. They've issued a general rain advisory for the next 72 hours following the rain for all coastal waters in San Diego County due to the contamination from urban runoff. Here in Imperial Beach, Mayor Serge Dedina says it's not the best scenario when it comes to water.
And then obviously with the rain, we have a lot of sewage and pollution coming out of the Tijuana River and from south to the border on the beach.
He says it's possible there could be some street flooding of contaminated water.
So that's not a good scenario for anybody, including our lifeguards, our firefighters, and our sheriffs are going to be out on the streets, making sure people stay safe.
We've already seen some water in the streets, so be careful if you're out driving tonight. Also tomorrow, the high surf is going to continue. We could see waves here at Imperial Beach up to 10 feet. For now, reporting live in Imperial Beach, Kelsey Christensen, Fox 5 News.
Yeah, it's not over yet. In fact, take a look at this new video just into the Fox 5 newsroom from National City. The wind and rain from this storm knocking down parts of a fence at a home there. It happened near Highland Avenue and East 3rd Street.